Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, present forms. This chapter will help not only class 7 student, it will also help class 6 students and those who ever want to learn about the present tenses. And very first I would like to say all the students please watch this video till the end because we are going to cover our 4 types of tenses: present simple, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous, with their examples, rules, and in the end there will be a quick revision. So I'm just going to start it. Present forms. Present tense forms have 4 types as it is mentioned here. I have already told you. And present forms have 4 different present tenses. Very first we are starting with the present simple tense. In present simple tense, we talk about present. We use the present simple forms for permanent situation and states. Example, the things which happens permanently and the things which are general truth, the laws of nature, habitual actions, what we do usually, we do often and we do daily. Reviews, sport commentaries, narrations, when we are talking about timetable and program event, if the event which is going to be in future and this event, this function starts at 3 a.m. or 3 p.m., whatever it can be, and in exclamatory sentences. So these are the things in which we use present simple tense, and most importantly you have to follow the rule because in each type of tense you have to follow the rules. Alright, subject plus verb plus first form of verb plus object. Singular subjects he, she, it, any name. There should be a name of one single person, single place or single thing. Plural subjects I, we, you, they. With the plural subjects we use first form of verb with the base form. Alright, example, he works at airport. With the singular subject he, we are using verb with s or es, and here you work at the airport. With the plural subject we are using plural verb. You can also read more examples given in your book. And now we are coming to the second type, that is present continuous tense. We use present continuous tense for when or if the event or action are taking place at the moment. Actions that are in progress means the actions which are going on, which are in the progress, that has not been completed yet. So we use present continuous tense, and rule for the present continuous tense is subject plus helping verb, or we also say it auxiliary verb, is mr plus verb first form of verb plus ing and plus object. Auxiliary verb singular के साथ हम is use करते हैं, and with I we use m, with plural we use r. Here we are having example also. He is riding a scooter. He is subject, is auxiliary verb, riding first form of verb plus ing, as we have to follow rules most importantly. Second, I am cleaning my house. Third, they are playing indoor games. So whenever you are going to do your tenses, you have to learn the rules. We are coming to the third type, that is present perfect tense. We use perfect tense with the recently completed actions and result of which are visible in the present. When an action has been completed and which is completed recently, so we use present perfect tense rule. Rule is subject plus has have plus verb third form plus object. With singular subject we use has, and with plural we use have. Here is the example. She has tried scuba diving. She subject has auxiliary verb and tried third form of verb. Another example, they have shown the presentation. Fourth type, present perfect continuous tense. And what more important thing is, while you are watching this video and you are listening to it, you should take your pen, pencil or notebook or diary so that you can write the rules of the tenses. Alright? Okay, we are coming to this fourth point. Fourth type, present perfect continuous tense. We use for actions that started in the past and continue up to the present. Past action of certain duration having visible results or effect in the present. That means we have started some activity in the past and still the activity is going on, still the action is in the continuation. Rule, subject plus has been oblique have been plus verb, first form of verb plus ing plus object. Object is here, okay, plus since for. Since is used with the at point of time or year when it is given, and for with the duration of time. Alright, and example for this. Here is example. He has been studying for 5 hours. Alright, and